There are two tests to draw a line in AutoCAD. Number 1. From the line option at the top of left side, just click on it. Enter your first or starting point. I am putting 0 coordinate as initial point, where 0 x-axis, 0 y-axis. You can draw line along any direction, whatever you want. You just need to move cursor. Enter final point as coordinate, or enter distance or length of the line, whatever you want. I already changed this in foot, so I am putting my input in foot. You can just connect one point to another without any distance. You can join one point to another. Number 2. Why using command box? Type L for line. If you type L, you will see all the commands starting from L will be showing in the command box, or you just type line, then just click on enter. Enter first initial point as same as before. All the procedure is same for putting initial or final point. All the inputs are same, but the difference is to choose where you want to select line, what I did from the option at the top or from the command box. Which one you like the most? For me, personal experience, I prefer command box, which is more easier than the option at the top. You don't need to go to the command box or just put L. You just put L, you just enter L, whatever at the screen you want, and just it will directly take you to the command box, and the line option will be start. If you need any help regarding this, then feel free to contact us. And if you learn anything from this video, then give us a thumbs up, like the video, and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. In next video, I will tell you how to represent, how to show the dimension which you see in a drawing, that whatever is the dimension you will see its dimension like foot, like meter, and you see its units with it. Just like you can see 100 feet. Then the size is very small that you can't see if you make it small, but I will tell you in another video.